All right, so here we are. We are totally dry. I can't believe the cells that happened with this one. I said to myself, I'm going to back off on the silicone this time. And look what happened. It just looks like gold nuggets to me right there. Anyway, let's show you how this piece is made. And thanks for watching. Okay, so my colors for tonight are old gold, which I also mixed some bronze into. This is bronze and copper mixed together, and this is a combination of Liquitex Basic and Craft Paint by Nicole. I love their bronze. Sorry, there's 1 drop of silicone in here, and there's 2 drops of silicone in this one. This, I'm still using Dimethicone 1000. That's what that looks like. It was like $2 off of eBay. This is red oxide, primary red. And what I did was I split this gold and put half into here and then mixed the red oxide and the primary red into here. Then this is black mixed with some bronze. This is by Artist Loft. It's that really dark looking gold if you've ever seen it before. Then I also have black and white. There is no silicone in these two. I learned my lesson the other night. When you add silicone, when you add the Dimethicone 1000 to the white, you just get these really tiny pebble-like cells, and I don't like it. So there's no silicone in that. And then the black, I'm gonna intermix the one with the bronze and the regular black. So this is another 16 by 20 inch canvas. I'm gonna move it out of the way for right now while I layer my paint. Same thing as before, 3 5-ounce cups, and we'll just go down the line. So I'm gonna start off with white in each of the cups, except for, you know what, the middle, let's do black. So the middle. Alright, same thing as before. And on the outside, stir it in for the center like that. On the outside. So we got 1. 2. 3. Alright. Well, it is what it is. Alright. No, I'm not doing that. Maybe. Like that. Maybe one right here like that. Okay. So, up. Back like that. Oh. At least I think it is. That is cool. Oh my gosh. Alright, let's let this sit here for just a second and marinate a little bit. Might need to come over just a hair. Just a little more. That's it. I'm not going anymore, just in case. But that is really cool. I really think I'm going to back off on the silicone next time. You know, this is kind of a medium that's really thick, and you know, up to this point I needed that extra bit of silicone, but now that I'm starting to learn my mix and the consistency of it, I don't need this much. Let's come in for the close-up, and it's a wrap.